Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on Salesforce Bolt. So guys, in today's video, we'll be basically displaying a thumbnail of the uploaded file using the Lightning File Uploader. So you must have used Lightning File Uploader somewhere to upload the files. Now, in today's video, we'll be creating a grid format, and that grid format will be having a thumbnail of that file as a kind of a small preview, like you can compare it with your phone gallery. Like in the phone gallery, we are having small image preview first, then we can click on the image preview and it will just open up a big image. So we won't be going that far. I mean, we won't be displaying the big image in picture. You can customize the functionality as per a requirement always. So for today, we will be just displaying the preview picture in a grid, and as well as we'll be displaying the icon of that file type. Let's say if the file is a uh, PDF, then we'll be displaying PDF icon. If the file is an image, then we'll be displaying the image icon. So that's how we'll be displaying the different icons based on the file extension. Okay, so let's start today's video. So guys, let me show you the output first. So I'm having this file uploader on my accounts tab, and I have created a new tab thumbnail for that. Now let me upload some files. Okay, let me go to my documents. Yeah. So guys, here as you can see, I'm having three files. One is PDF, PNG, and JPG. So I'm just uploading different file types just to show you like how the icon will be displayed on the screen. So let's say I'm uploading these three files. Okay. And this is the default progress indication we are getting with the Lightning file upload. And you know, this is a really cool thing about it, because if you will use the normal input file, you won't be getting this pop-up here. So that's how it goes. So you may notice like PDF is having different icon and PNG and JPG is having a different icon, and these are also displayed based on the file extension. But I mean, this is not our code, this is the default functionality. What is our code? Let me show you. Let me hit on done. Okay, so guys, these are the thumbnails from that files. You may see these are kind of a gallery kind of a layout here, and underneath that you may notice file name with the file icon. So if we talk about these two files, so one is JPG, one is PNG, so the file icon is same. And if you will see the output of the PDF file, then the file icon is PDF here. So guys, that's how we will be displaying different image grid, and we will be displaying the icon as well. And on the top right corner you may see a toggle button here, sorry, list button here. So I'm just having this mock-up right now. I mean, you may implement the functionality on the click of this button as well. I'm not having that in this demo. Okay, so let's start with the HTML part. Okay, so guys, here I'm using two different components. One is to contain the file upload part, and the second one is the file preview, which is a grid format. Okay, so this is my parent component, which is containing Lightning file upload. And in Lightning file upload, guys, I'm using accept format. I'm using few specific formats that needs to be uploaded here. And I'm using on upload finish function, like what needs to be done once the file is uploaded successfully. Okay, and apart from that, I'm using record ID. So in Lightning file upload, you just have to pass the parent ID of the file. Let's say if I'm uploading the file in account, so I just have to pass account ID. Let's say if you're uploading the file in contact, then you just have to pass the contact ID. So guys, overall it will be record ID. And if you're having multiple documents in a single record, then in that case this record ID should be your document ID. So in that case, you must get the document ID first, and then you may pass the document ID here. Okay, underneath that, I'm having my child component in a loop because there could be multiple files. So I'm just checking these files here, and then I'm passing the file one by one in this child component. And so basically we are creating a kind of iteration of child component to display the file card with file icons. Okay, let me show you the JavaScript now. So guys, in JavaScript, we are using refresh apex to refresh the file grid once the file gets uploaded successfully. Okay, and we are using this function here, get file version, to get the files from the database. Okay, this is in my apex. I'll show it to you later. Okay, and here guys, I'm getting list of files on the load of this page based on the record ID. So I have wired a function here. My function name is file response. Okay. So first of all, I'm getting files here in this file list, and then I'm passing it to another array. Okay. And why we are doing this? Because to display the file thumbnail, we need some additional fields which is not available in the default object. So basically we have to modify the fields little bit to display the file thumbnail. Okay. So these are the basic fields which you will be getting inside your object itself. And apart from that, you may notice thumbnail file card field here. So guys, this is a parameter, and in this parameter I'm just passing this static URL. Okay. And after this URL, I'm just passing version ID, which is my file ID here, to get the thumbnail of the file. So whenever we are uploading a file, it will automatically generate a thumbnail image of that file. Okay. And that image can be used as a preview. And guys, you can have few sizes here, like you may see this rendition here, and here you may get different file size. Like if you will Google this, let me show you. Okay, yeah, here it is, file rendition. If you will open this, so there are few specific size mentioned here that can be used while you are generating your files preview. So this is how you may use it. And yeah, so these are the size, guys. So here you may have different size. The default value will be 120 by 90 pixels. Apart from that, you may use PDF here, and you may use 240 by 180, and the largest size here is 720 by 480. The sizes are small because this is going to be used as a preview. So this is basically a thumbnail of your actual file. This is not your actual file. So this is, that's why the type is not completely customizable. If you will put any other value, it is not going to work. So you may have to use one of these 4 values here. Okay. Now let me get back to code. So here we are passing the URL, and with the URL I'm passing my file ID, so we can get the specific file ID here. Okay. And after that I'm just putting it into my files, of which we are creating a loop on the HTML side. And apart from it, we are having an error message if we get any error. All right, what else we are having here? Okay. And this is my handle upload finish method, guys. And in this method I'm just calculating the I'm just getting the list of files, I'm getting the size of file, and you may check here, like if the file size is greater than 0, then only you should display the message. And if you will notice here, I'm refreshing the apex. I'm using refresh apex message, and I have passed my wired function here. So this message can be used to refresh the result, and I'm already having a separate video for this refresh apex as well. So if you want to check that out, just go to my channel Salesforce Bolt and search for refresh apex. You will be getting that video there. Okay. All right, let me move to the child component. So this is my child component, guys. Here I'm checking if the file exists, then only it should display. And here I have created a figure, a kind of a card layout, and the other functionality is pretty simple. I'm just using pure HTML. This is pure basic HTML thing. So I'm using image src tag to display the URL, and this thumbnail is coming from the parent component itself. Okay. And apart from that, I'm using the captions here. In caption, I'm using lightning icon, and I'm displaying file title and file extension on the lightning card itself. Okay, so that is pretty much of it. And these are my lightning button menu, in which I'm having preview and delete button. You may have different button like send, or maybe edit, or maybe delete and preview also. So you may completely customize the code based on a requirement. Okay, now on the JavaScript side of this child component, I'm just having a generic function here to check the icon name. So I'm using the basic if else functionality here. If the file extends PDF, then the icon name should be doc type PDF to display a different icon. So that's how I'm having different icons here, like PDF, PPT, Excel, CSV, text, XML, document, zip, RTF, PSD, and SD. I think these are almost all of them, and default it will just return image. Okay, so that was my component, guys. That was my child component, and I have already shown you my parent component one. Okay, and this will be the final output for your demo. I mean, you may use this functionality, guys, and feel free to modify it as per requirement. You can update the functionality. You may add additional button, additional layout, and you may use it wherever you would like to use. Okay, and guys, as always, I will be having the complete code on my blog itself, which is salesforcepole.com. So do check out the blog itself. I'll be having the complete code there, and feel free to modify it as per requirement. All right, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.